And now another video where JD mysteriously travels back in time to make a dish for you. Hey kids, JD here. Today I'm trying something called prawn pickle. Apparently this is a dish from the coast of India. Now I've never had this before. I have no idea about how it's going to turn out. I don't even know what it is. So we're going to cook it, give a reaction, review, and then if there's any additional information after that, we'll let you know. Before we get started, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. At this point, everything helps. Also, don't be afraid to hit that notification bell. Let's do it. In a 2-liter pressure cooker, in this order, add the following ingredients. 1/4 cup sesame oil, 500 grams of small shrimp. Not the little tiny baby shrimp, but what's labeled as small shrimp. You want to mix together into a spice mix the following items. First of all, 2 teaspoons of salt. Up to and including 4 teaspoons of chili. I used less. 1 teaspoon of mustard powder. I didn't have mustard powder, so I took about a teaspoon of mustard seeds and crushed them with a mortar and pestle and put that in. Obviously, if you have access to mustard powder, you may want to use that instead. 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin. Layer this on top of the shrimp. All right, little update. Yesterday when I initially made this dish, I went ahead and tried it. My reactions went something like this. The vinegar is overpowering. And like this. You don't really get any cumin. And like this. All it would have been is pain and sour, which I suppose is the Portuguese way. And like this. Here come the wasps. Unfortunately, my impressions were a little bit limited. Here's what happened. Now I went ahead and tried for a second bowl after that was done, and magically it was better. There were more spices in that. So then I tried a little scoop from the bottom, and sure enough, that was better yet. You see, what had happened is all the spices had settled toward the bottom, and the vinegar had gotten in and had mixed, but the spices still settled, and the oil was probably above that. So if you're going to do this dish, it is absolutely wonderful. I couldn't get enough of this once I stirred it up and got the spices all over. So that's an important thing to know. Now, there are 2 other things. First of all, you remember I tried making the better mac and cheese. I made a better noodle dish using this, which we'll go into maybe next week or the week after. What if we just tried it without the vinegar? You know, maybe it'd be more of a savory kind of dish. I don't know. I'm excited to try it though. So we're going to give that a try and let you know. So that's it for this week. If you like this video, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, leave a thumbs up. In case you're new to this channel, I release videos pretty much every Thursday and Friday, sometimes other days. Always check in, hit that notification bell, and that's it. Thanks for your time. I'm JD, and I'm out.